Okay, we'll start about YouTube marketing. So, in YouTube marketing, you need to learn about YouTube marketing. Channel optimization, uploading, playlist, playlist, playlist. Next, analysis, monetization, end cards, and sorry, what is the thing? And you need to learn about the channel access sharing, next video and linking. You need to look into these aspects, okay? But for a YouTube channel, the one thing is very, very important. That is known as YouTube intro. To recognize your channel, YouTube intro is very, very important. Second thing is consistency. Attracting thumbnails. Thumbnails. Remember the point here. Attracting thumbnails relevant to channel. Okay. See, when you watch the YouTube nowadays, we'll have the very spicy and interesting thumbnails about the celebrities and all, but that are not relevant to the content. If the thumbnail is not relevant to the content, automatically people will leave the video. So watch time will decrease, right? Make sure thumbnail is relevant. Next, conveying a story. Conveying a story. So always the content should be relevant to your topic. For example, it's an educational channel. It should be informative. It's a fun channel. It should be entertaining. If it is a technical channel, there should be more. The thing should be focused on technicality. Like, did any one of you have YouTube channel among the three? Among the three, any one of you have the YouTube channel? No? Okay. Now I'll show you my live YouTube channel. Okay. See, on the Gmail, you'll have the default YouTube channel. Okay, your channel. This is my channel. Okay. So I have the around 211 subscribers for this channel. Here you need to customize your channel. Okay. Customize your channel. That is the first point I have said, right? Channel optimization. So your channel will have the dashboard. Okay. This is the dashboard of your channel. Okay. What is the thing you need to do? you need to upload the content. From here, you need to upload the content. For example, I'll search some dummy file. Okay. This is the title, description, thumbnail, playlist, tags. Okay. I'll explain one by one. But from where you need to upload the video? From here. This is the live. Okay. This is the creating a YouTube post. Okay. This is the recent option arrived. Okay. You can make a post also. You can make a poll, everything. So next, content. See, these are my contents. You can see for which content, how much of the views came, how much of the watch time, everything you can see. This is the content. I have no live videos. One live video I have made for like one public event. You can see this public event. This is.
Let me tell you about this amazing opportunity. Right now, they're having one of their biggest sales of the year.
Okay. This is a live video show. This is an average quality, not that much a good quality. This is an average quality. Okay. Next, I forgot to show you one more important thing. YouTube Shorts nowadays, which are very trendy, like Insta Reels. YouTube Shorts. Okay. So here you need to upload the content, right? Next, what is meant by playlist? What is meant by playlist? Playlist is nothing but the relevant category. For example, I will keep all SEO videos one category, all digital marketing awareness one category, digital marketing tips one category. Like that, I will make a different videos. Okay. Okay. So I'll make the different videos under different categories. See, if I want to remove this, from digital marketing tips. Okay. So what is meant by playlist? Playlist is nothing but category. If you take the food channel, so biryani will be under one category. All biryani related videos will be one category. Sweets will be one category. Hot will be one category. Like that. Okay. Next, analysis. This is the analysis of my channel. From last few days, I was not maintaining this. So last 90 days, these are the views. I got 4 hours of watch time from last 3 months. I was not maintaining it regularly. I was planning it to start. Okay. This is the analysis. You'll have everything overall throughout lifetime. What is the lifetime till now? I got 66 hours. Okay. Like this. Next step. What is meant by comments? Comments you got for the videos. Okay. Next step. What are the subtitles? You need to prepare subtitles for the videos. You can make in Telugu, English, Hindi. And copyright. If someone copies your content, you can make a request from here. New removal request. From here, you can add that video and you can make a report to the YouTube about the content. I'll show you one content which I was promoted. Diksha TV. This one I have promoted 2 years ago. See, he's a celebrity. Maybe some of you people know. He's Sai Kumar, film people. When he launched the video, everyone copied the content from us. Every YouTube channel uploaded. So we made the copyright reports to the YouTube channel at that point of time. How many views is what? 1.2K views. Okay. But this is through paid ads. And recently we have done one more promotion for another channel, Skill Technologies. See this one, Skill Technologies. This one got good views, 27K views.
మన కంపెనీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎంఎన్సి కంపెనీ అవ్వాలని నా డ్రీమ్. బట్ వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించట్లేదు నాకు అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు ధనంజయ్. బట్ ఎక్కడో చిన్న హోప్ ఉంది, అందుకే చాలా కంపెనీస్ కి అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నాను. దిస్ ఈస్ మై డ్రీమ్ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు ప్రొసీడ్. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ 100%. ఎలా ఉన్నావు? Number of users.
These are some of the videos I have promoted. So in this way you need to apply copyright. Okay. Next very important thing is monetization. Nowadays everyone is making the YouTube channel only for monetization. How to get the money from YouTube channel? Okay, monetization. See now I have 211 subscribers out of 1000 need to get for monetization. I have only 20 public watch hours. Need to get 4,000 watch hours in this year. Okay. If you have any copyright issue, if someone made a claim on your copyright, your monetization will get cancelled. So you need to make sure clear when you are maintaining this monetization. Here there are monetization policies. Okay. Done. Next. You added all things. Now I'll explain you the important things. How to make an very good titles description for the videos. Okay. For example, this is my video. Okay. See, this is the title I have wrote including keywords. Choose your career path. Digital marketing course awareness is the keyword. This is Saket Veeramani full interview. Okay. So this is the title of the video. This is the description. You can make long. Okay. These are the thumbnails. This is the playlist, digital marketing awareness. You can, you need to give here tags. On the tags column, you need to give the tags for the video. Digital marketing course, Google course. Okay. These are the tags you need to apply for the video. With these tags, it works like SEO. When someone searches these tags, your video will be displayed, language, title, everything. Okay. Next, what is meant by end screens? End screen is nothing but at the end of the video, you need to link something. Okay. When you watch some content on YouTube also, you'll get something, right? At the end, the relevant songs or another video will be displayed here when the video comes to end. This is known as end cards. Okay, I'll add the another end card. Okay, I want to add this end card. Okay. I want to add this now. Okay. Wait just a minute, I'll add. And screens. So now I want to add this playlist. Okay. Okay. On that I have added some playlists. See, student reviews. Okay. I'll add here. From here, I need to add to end. Okay. Student reviews. Next, end screens. End screens are nothing but on the top you will get end cards. Okay. See, if you drag here you will get on the top. These are known as end cards. What is meant by end screens? End screens will get at the ending of the video. Okay. Another relevant video. Cards are middle of the video. They will get on top. Okay. These are known as cards. Okay. And for every channel, there will be two types of trailers. One trailer is for people who haven't subscribed. One trailer is for returning subscribers. I mean, already subscribed people. You can change this trailer. I want to make this always subscribed people. I want to make this. Okay, publish. That's it. And there will be this is the channel profile picture. And there will be the banner image, which will be very large size, 2048 into 1152. This is here you can upload watermark also. These are the basic info, channel name, handle, description, channel URL and everything. Okay. So simply this is about an YouTube. We have completed social media as well as YouTube. In tomorrow class, we'll discuss about Google Analytics and email marketing.